for business. So when we go down the road and tell a man,
you know, since you're man.
when we go down the road, you see, when we go down the road, I'm a fish out a man and say, "Cause you hear the most thing now, yo, wagwan." No, when you hear me, I come ask you wagwan. For me, no want to know your business. I go down the road, go ask no man, yo, wagwan.
So you just say, yo.
Yo, if you want to answer, you answer for your business. Because I don't ask you what I want, because I don't really have no time to turn up to listen for you to tell me what I want. No time for that. So, the mental cycle of people, our brain, you have to think wise. So man, come and say, me there, you know, and I hit that. I ask man about what I go on. I figure some man buy a credit put on your phone and I dial the number. Pre. Give me what I go on. You understand what I say? No, why should I? Take up my phone and dial the America now to go ask you what I go on. And I ask Marlene, stop Marlene what I go on.
No, but you know, Baba, in our life we need it. How you doing?
Yeah.
Is everything okay?
Yeah.
So, what I mean, you alright? You know, but it caring and loving, you know, because you have to know, you alright now when my big tour hit me today. Can't do nothing for your big tour. Why am I a little piece of plant? Because when me eat plant, my big tour not hurt me. But you know, every time I walk through here and everybody, they must suffer. I mean, look on the greenery. And I say, I couldn't suffer long here, you know. Me couldn't suffer long here, you know, Baba.
But how you feel suffer?
Me couldn't suffer long here.
I
couldn't suffer, man.
You see, we look
But I
like
word a big seed. Mount a papa would grow every inch. Me couldn't suffer, man. Them not got people you go beg them papa seed. You know papa seed.
But look here now.
Me couldn't suffer long here, man.
Take for instance.
Pimento.
But take for instance now, you see?
Yeah.
Look on the plant. You see? Again, give you instant. About when KK passed, you go a man to school. Call you about what him. Me what here? Me was about in the 2000 and so. Because I said 10 years ago. 5 and 3, 8 and 2. 10 years ago. You go to school 5 years a man degree, 7 years over DC, and you know 3 years at home. That is 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Right. 10 years ago, you see?
Yeah.
I always give me one piece of land. And when you give me the little piece of gold, you see?
Yeah.
Me have them 3 kids with
3 kids.
I carry. 10 years ago. And when we did one evening, no, when we go over there, we see one plant tree. Right yesterday, you see? When you give me the ground, we go right over there, go look for the ground. You see one plant tree fall down there. First time, they blow. So you have about 3 sucker like that come up. When they want to fall down, lie down on the dirt. So when me over there the Saturday and me I come out, when me look around me so, I have nothing to come here to come cook with the flour. I have to just come by the naked flour and cook. We don't have a finger of banana. And when we turn up and when we come here the day and I look for them, I say to myself, I not make that happen to me again. I go try to change that cycle. We just cook flour. So when we go back over there, we lift up the plant tree big like that and we dig one hole right at the wall and put it down in there. Never turn in the 2 months and they shoot. Because 2 days so big already. And I take up the other 3 sucker and plant them. One this one, one this one, one this. All the plant when you see over bush are right the same color.
Them 4 there?
Yes. All of the plant now out of the one root of plant we will go over there. All you see then have up here that they come from. All we have on a curve. We have plant round this, so we have plant round this. We sell plant sucker like crazy. You want to plant sucker for myself. But tell you what you have to plant. So you don't have to have no millions for it, you know. You have to start somewhere. And people, well, me never see nobody who teach me for they don't go over the boat. You have to start somewhere to reach somewhere. Alright, I tell you another instance. 1980 when I left Mandeville and come as a young boy, as 20-year-old, 21-year-old. And same October month like now how you should have read that far. God will go help our Mandeville. Because yeah, at that time it just come in, but I never had no family. And I come in a church, so when I go to church this Sunday.
But you were born here.
Then I'm a born man.
But then you went away and come back.
Go into away and come back now. So when I go down this Sunday and help him dig the and I left out of church in card now, I said we can come help him dig the street here. Thursday. I say yeah. We only Thursday, we help him dig the street here. But you me just come rent piece of land in the bush, but I don't know your head. All me a plant over there is sweet potato and carrot and peas. Come in your bed for plant, I'm not big, nobody know your bed for me just come in the place. But when I left the evening, the man come out of the kitchen and he said to me, say, where I been it? I don't forget but I will give you one hill I am. I said, I thank you, so for me I the bigger land over there, I don't know, you mean. And the man going in the kitchen and he took out 2 pieces of flat yam head like this. See like how you set a stone at that. In the big hand, thank you. He said, when you go over the bush, you dig go ahead and plant. And we can't come back. The time for my mother, I believe it. Yes. Go over bush and dig it, the yam and plant the 2 pieces of yam. And them tell me I understand nothing about grow. But when we plant them, one grow before one. And climb this stick and reach up at the top. And the other one just pop out of the head. And when we see the one that climb this stick now, we say to myself, I'm going to take out back the one. And dig a different hill side of it and put it. So I take out the back out of the hill. For I hope I land. I have space, so I take out the back. And dig a different hill and put him. And he run up so fast on the stick because the head already drained now, you know. Just like I see them, they were green already and them already supply. And the 2 of them bear one time. One bear one you have long like a hoe you see behind your lamp. The first one. But the other one now, bear one big of a round up so. So you see the one there, bear the round up. So we now know picking it, we cut up in a 10 yam head. I have all both. Round the head, big of a head up at top, just like a pan. And the bus here everywhere part pan. And we cut up in a 10 head man. And the other one, we cut up in about another 5 or 6. So the second year when I planted, plant 16 hill yam. I said that, but I'm going to business now. Yeah, 16 hill yam. My brother, you see when the time when the year come in, the yam them beer, you see when I dig them green, them beer back head to tail. When I beat up with the next year now, I plant over 70 hill yam. In a yam grown. I'm a ton of freedom. I plant the 2 look better having piece with the man with them. I have 3,000 hill yam in there. When man come in there, I never buy one yam in front of man. I have 3,000 hill around in there. So you don't have to spend no billions. My spirit said, I'm going to go and say I'm over this for him the same year. I may have over the demand, I may never pay this thing. No, say, I cut off a couple of. He said, no, Baba, no cut off my yam. No cut it. Just dig the yam and junk and left it. No cut off no head after it. But you said, we go dig, you see? We find a way and take off and leave my head after it. And I can't leave my head go over there go plant it. So I have 2 sets of yam over black piece all over. When I plant it, I plant 11 hill yam in one road, just like that's the edging go place. So one day, That woman who they live right out this. I see you. My man in me, I go over some message to him. I see you. You know, say me, I live here, I move a bush. I tell my guy, send him some market. So I go dig the car across. He say, yes, man. Carry come. He say, no go over bush the morning. I dig 4 hill a day, man, get 100 pounds. 4 hill out of the 11 hill. He couldn't dig done. The 11 hill I may take me week, more than 2-3 weeks to dig it. So when I cut, you see when they, you see me turn over for them, so tell me plant 500 hill of black was here. So you know fi? You know fi? But the time I did young, you know. I'm just in my 20, 22, 23 years old. So for you know, if you do that now, you have to go double up the capacity. Because you're 40 years old now. You see what I say now? So you couldn't go say, boy, you go do with me, I go do. What am I going to do for time when I catch you? Yeah, yeah. I'm telling you freedom. Till one night time. When me take sick and left, I left actually 4,000 here. I'm over there now, back over there, got the cup of him. So you know, if you start with big things. When we moved, when we left.
Who took the yam?
It and they dead man. We move somebody gun. Yeah, we move somebody gun and carry up on my head yesterday. Same as when we carry the gun up on my head go plant it. Me take sick with my foot and couldn't go back over there. And I was run pound out. When we get the time go back upon my head. At the end, they will run pound out, seeing like how that's we plant them, they go to my bullet. You see, then I was run pound out, me going to go search it. And I find one head. When the ear come back home. And we start back with them the couple head again. Plant me back and me go where you see me I come with them. So, they can't tell someone something make them believe so you must have faith in a way I do. Yeah. Now I don't do it on so a man I'm saying plaza and they say, brother Baba me I never am say buy 150 from buy. Never am going yes me have go bush 50 never am buy for the every time we plant it and it good. It come back and every time we plant it good and it come back. So see now it come up now. 184 hills. May I look on this next year we can plant 400 hills. If you plant 400 hills, you can make up to 500,000 times. Am I not thinking? Respect and thanks. So you just start from so much to reach them. The problem with the people them we see about in the community, them don't want to start a journey. Because life is a journey. And if you don't begin the journey at some point in time, you will never be able to reach anywhere.
And some stop on the journey.
And some stop on the journey.
Give up them dreams.
They give up their dream. You know what I say. So, when me take sick all in the last week, before last year, when we take our sick to this African nurses, so we sick in everybody. I say nothing now, but don't mean.
Oh, when this knee was bad?
Yeah, I say we're done. But see, God repair about the knee. So you run for this and take this one too, but God patch it back to them, I'm moving again. So we go in and so we don't get up and sit on the road. And all the morning time we get up and band them up and tie them up, we still have to go through the same way. No matter if it's only look home every time, you never like
it's like your story is a story of a boxer. You know, I'm just get knocked out.
Yes. Him still go back.
Get back up. Must feed him, kiss them.
Yes, he must go back in the ring.
Get another hit.
Yes. Go back in the ring again. Yeah, big kids them for feed.
Have a feed.
Bills for pay.
You have youth.
Rent for pay.
Yeah.
So you can't put on the gloves.
And then you can't make no man a church town and say, Baba out. Them can't wait. For you say, can't go back.
Can't go back.
Them say, yes. We know say one day the great champ Baba was gonna be nuts. And then after them see you out now, them feel good about themselves. Because them say, me already give up enough.
Yes.
Why him not give up too? That's how life is. The reason why people are watching is because deep down in them can't go no further.
Yeah.
Them know what it takes. Them give up enough.
They give up.
And them dream themselves.
Yes.
But them see you still going.
Yes.
And pass them yard and them say, but where am I go? Why am not give up too?
We can't give up too.
Why am not give up? Give up, man.
Give up no man.
And even when you're sick, you get better.
Yeah. You're moving.
You keep going. Times get hard. I'm saying, why the man not give up? Me give up, you know. Move from the camera, right?
No, but the camera.
Me give up. Him need to give up.
You need to give up now.
You saw me a fight for African education. A brother said to me, you are delusional. Because him give up already.
You give up already, so the similar thing you don't want to go for you.
So you must give up, man.
Yeah.
Give in.
At 20 years ago,
Show
I
in the
start.
towels.
You see when me start
Yeah,
see, you see when me start do them film there? Me quit my job. Me always love film, me love culture, me love Jamaica. Love it. So after I work my money now, me say my dream, you know, is to film my country. So me give up the job, sell me separate and say, boy, me have to go film. And everybody turn around and say, the dirty mad boy. Him left $200,000 job and him a go film a Jamaica. He mad.
I get that move. You follow him because we see what go up to him.
And everybody, and my dream.
Are your dream? Then that's what I tell a man, I don't want nobody tell me because I have my dream and my vision. I have my vision I'm working with.
And after I did everything I did with this project, a word come to me, say, the impossible is the dream.
Yeah.
Meaning everybody would think impossible are the dream, you know.
Yeah.
And now people on YouTube, them can't wait till me upload a video.
Can't wait.
Can't wait
To see what
see
we
Baba,
coming.
for the story, where Randy I do. Me could have talked to planting tree, them a watch me.
Him a watch. Because I talk to that pig this somebody I watch.
Randy and the pig, you know, on the two are no crazy, you know. You and a pig there.
And I see a pig crazy.
But this is my culture. This is, and you know, dreams are different in size
Yeah.
and vary in results.
Yes.
But you see, if you love it, man.
Just go with the dreams.
Yesterday I saw you planted.
Yeah.
About 50
No man, I have 109 10 hit me plant.
You plant 110 hill in one day. Because for me, just thinking about it, I would think it's impossible. How about type 110 hill in one day? In my head, I can't say that kind of process. You understand? But when I saw it for myself, I said, it's easy, man. We could have planted 1,000.
But it don't take me a day. That's look how early we come.
Yeah, we had to break the rain.
Yes.
So the lesson is, if you can plant 109 in half a day, right? A young youth that's 20 can plant 10 acres in a 1 week.
In a 1 week. Oh God, yes man.
So the little bad boy there at Kingston that sit down on wall and smoking weed every day. If him just have the access and the understanding and the math, how much money you can make
accumulate
with soft dirt.
with soft earth.
Him can build a hut and turn in at the bush and live in there.
Yeah.
A beard with rainwater and a roast yam and I eat with one lighter.
And him a find food in there too.
Uh-huh.
Because natural food are growing.
And him never forgot back to Kingston.
Never go back. Feed
Because
his
when
soul.
him come out with film yam, the whole truck after him.
Oh God, man, when me go into the hills, when me come here and I go into the hills, you know, man tell me say I food is. When me come here and I go rent the land in the bush, you know, when I'm a friend Junior.
But here's what I would love to do for you. When I see things, I try to change it to make it better. Would I love to build a damn tall post for you, say, 2 big tall posts. One down at the road and one up at the top.
Yeah.
Heist the damn yam pan it, hook it on it, and make it skid out.
Yes, me know me plan all that already.
Yeah.
You see up a hill? The plan said the day I go come, we just build a big concrete column so.
A big concrete column.
Yes, and rent one copy, at least buy 1 copy salad right out of that place.
Yeah.
And build another one. And hitch a cable pan.
Yeah.
So anytime I flight let them head down a hill, me just burn him up. And hitch him in there and I cable and plus a bit and then jump down the road.
That's it. That's what we focus on.
Yes. That's what I think everything, you know. Just get there some broadband.
Yeah.
You just strap him good properly.
On the band, on the
Yeah,
belt.
on the belt, you know, because electric you go use, you know, and you just pump one but like when you are going to the factory. And he's like,
And
I
then
just
hook
lift him up.
Even if I just hook, I bring them
Yeah,
down.
hook can bring me down, man. For I got this hook in.
Oh, God, man.
And by the time you mix up,
You want to have people hate you, have this or that, and then the truck, it'll jump in off your truck, and then in the truck, you're done, driver. Talk about hate. Talk about hate. You have to strap yourself with gun and everything ready, because they might come.
I think about that every day, man.
I hate that, man.
Because you have a thing where they call them belt line. Remember I said the belt line.
But this is how the Rockefellers and them build them thing, you know.
You're right.
Remember say you have Miss Fields cookie, you know. A woman would just make cookie and she a billionaire now, you know. So what you have, you know, and what these Jamaicans have, them now set them dreams and show them children what other people do.
Right. That is, do you notice that feel with our test, you know, because for parents, they not even give you a hopes in life, something to look for. They never one day to sit down and say to yourself.
What they never understood is that what they were doing, if the children innovate on what they're doing in another generation, it's just innovation. You know?
Yes.
There's imagination and innovation. All you have to teach your children is never to work for someone.
Right.
Make what I'm doing better.
Better. Do it better. Tell me, they will make it things every time we think about our dental. We make it think we say dental. Say dental, go to school, go learn business.
Business, so them can understand your business.
So that you can understand business.
Yes, yes.
You understand me?
Yeah.
So when you have me have my business, you can go up on the computer for 2 minutes, computer wise.
Of course.
You can go up on the computer, go back, so bam, 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 do this,
check
do that.
this, check that.
Check this, check that.
Find new market route.
Find new market, because him can have the brain.
Yeah. No, the two brothers come together.
Yeah, they come together. So when I drive the truck, KK, I do the secretary work, sit in the office.
Yeah.
So when we make the millions for the week, nobody didn't have to get the pay. I will pay ourselves.
Yes, it's about management.
Yes. We think about these things, but sometimes the problem with Babylon system now is that when these kids reach out on the Breadfruit, they don't want to get to this thing what they call education. They believe that without them, the European world make we feel like if you don't have proper education, you're going nowhere. And just that's the problem. Because you don't have to have no big education. Because the thing what I say, no man. I see one man who live on the sun, alright, I can put that thing to you. You see my husband? My husband father can never sign his name on a piece of paper. And yet still he did as the richest man in the world. Because him are the hungry man and I will buy over 5 new brand truck. You know buy second hand mountain? Pay new brand truck. If I carry new brand, if I van new brand.
Him not buy nothing second hand?
Nothing in a second hand for anybody. Anything him go buy straight from the wharf. You never seen go buy a vehicle yet and a second hand. Pay new brand in a plastic. And you own over 5 truck. Game boy there. And he dead left the legacy game boy, the man see them carry it on there. Simple that. They don't sell none in land. Not even an inch you can get to buy.
And then make high man plant it up.
Yeah, they have their land through the bush and they went out to the can't manage. And their family they probably but they not sell it. Because their father inheritance. Not sell out the and one of the wickedest things you can do is you can rent a man the land but not sell it. Inheritance that. Generation, because I guess more they're going to come and set a generation way. No have no. And then I go look back on the land. Man, when mama give me that salad over this before you date him so really for you. I see them like sometimes I see man come through that shortcut this with the money see me for rent. And when he come and say, Brother Bennett, are you going to check you know? I say, so me and him we are talk. So tell me, he say, you know what? I did like me, you have over say, you know, like how you're not walking. Right me hit the man. And me laugh at him. He said, I don't know, we can't rent you, you know. He said, we can't rent that land because this month we can't rent you know. I give no money. So we can't afford to rent you. It's easier me to rent to film me when me buy. I not rent into the world we get to remember. A leader gift that. That must do if Benny come and want land you work, if Mackie come and want land you work, if Terry come and want land you work, if Pops want land you go work it too. But me if you have it, and Kevin come here and want plan with a plan, now you the party and him can't go there. So I tell my people, say, no sell no land. You can rent a man piece of land, but no sell it. You see, my daddy sell a piece of land right now, man. Feel nothing. If we didn't have that the piece of land, no one you come, we could have go to go get over 3 acres, and the beer, any if you drop you, I'm king there, beer. I'm going to say, if you look like nothing. And the first year when the man plan going for one look up patch like I so you make back the money you can. Land investment, you know. Big capital, you know. Because I know the piece of land we are tax over 6 years. You say profit value is it? The piece of land can hold over 2,000 here. To 2,500 that I have right now. From doing a command this to up a thing. To run a backland. You can't plant 3,000 lion in it. If Prof means say, I'm going to see this go contact you, you're not planting. You're not going to know where it's going. But they just know where it's going. The minutes they go for.
What's going on? Well, go on. Big
yard thing. You know, say, but me never call you about it. Me have to call you because me have a problem. That thing me ask if you can't give me a thing. Yes, that's a free mindset that is a mindset.
Well, but when was the last time you been to the beach?
Me? Me don't know what they call beach. They call beach. Like go sit down for a sun and see. Me don't call the place. I never. I one time for me born. Or 2 times. Me go beach. 2 times. They take off me top clothes and slung in the water and they went for me. 2 times. Two times.
More reach St. Mary's.
But yeah, you see, they say it's never too late for the rain falling. Even we still know the rain can fall.
Yeah.
So we will be going to the beach at some point in time. So because at this day we can't go to the beach. Me and then we get up on Saturday morning.
When you get your car. Yeah. Go to the west.
We are going west. We are going
our friends in the west.
Yes. We are going with crew.
We have a crew now.
So we can say we are going to them people that we now come back there tomorrow night.
Yeah. They will take care of them.
They will take care of it. So we carry some food.
Yeah.
And we go spend the and dip on the beach with them.
Yeah, man.
We have get to that, man. We have get to that. And that's not to say the next 5 years now, early time.
Yeah.
Because you can't do it as long as you have the life, you see?
Well, the beauty is that the life is there, you
The
know?
life is there, right?
I have to start somewhere.
Somewhere, yeah.
Come on, plant some trees for Anais. You know, I'm going to go plant a mango tree and I see how it go. 1 mango tree in Africa. And from the seed there, we might get all 10.
Yes, what do you mean? I rode me carrying a KK and Denton when the little baby on the road and I see that breadfruit tree there. I dig gamble and I see the breadfruit tree. Look like this green one stone side.
Yeah.
I'm a pull out here and I can go there the plant. See there, see beer now. That's what that show me now. See my blessing start now. I'm a plant several other trees. You plant my pear tree, them and them a beer. Yeah. So you plant a tree, you can even go up ahead go plant a tree. And make it because the longer you take to put in it, the longer you take to start move. Because a tree carry, you know. Because every day you plant a tree, you see anytime you catch, what the beauty of this thing enough man don't understand. Especially a long-term tree like a breadfruit tree or a coconut tree or a orange tree. You should when you plant this tree, And every time you go there and you look on the tree, you don't see when it go, but it's coming up.
Yes.
That is the beauty about it. You don't see when it's coming, but it's coming up.
It's coming.
Till one of the day when you're going to go look, you say, Papi Blossom, are your greatest joy? It's like your joy becomes happiness because your tree blossom.
Yeah.
The next thing we are look finding for food, man. And when you say put forth food, well, I mean, some people, hey, when we see the plant, the bull, man, and they say, wow. I mean, if you look up on it and count how much finger they put it in, I say, wow, 22 litres.
Yeah, man.
So you can't feel that, hey, the man will do. Yeah, sometimes I say, man, like, you know, lift the Babylon system. When you come here, you just get into these things and you start to plant them and start to enjoy the beauty of them. You just say, God, wish that they had 10 years ago. Because when anybody, the thing about it now, you know, when you tell you the cold air, you can't say your body get too old, you know. You can't do it again, you have to go and sit down in the house.
That's why you see when I move up the hill.
Yeah, so you have to do now, you have to come in, take time, come in and thaw out your body.
Yeah.
Especially in the summer. You see when you come in the summer, the time hot.
And freeze it.
Yes, man, the heat burn out. Go out bush and the sun heat and burn over and pull out, then you can move up and down free.
Yeah. That's what I try. Little by little, you see me come through because I'm 45. I want
Yeah,
to be 80.
Who?
Me.
You gone?
No, watch out.
Alright.
If I want to live to be 80,
Look more.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
if me want to live to be 80, I better come here frequently.
Alright. Let me tell you, if you
Because
want to
I'm
live
American or
for
not,
80 years old,
yeah.
America now give that. When you get the age of 60, it's very hard for you to climb that hill there. If you live America.
Yeah.
Let me tell you that. Those are what America gives. Let me tell you all the while.
America give pills.
Pills.
You know, so I don't take one. I not even take my vitamins when I come down. When the vitamin D hit me from the sun, I have the energy. Me never, since I've been down here, me never felt sluggish. Like me can't get up and move. I feel tired today now. But when I'm in America, man, if I don't take my vitamins, we just
Never
dead.
move.
So I came down here and the vitamin D I had work its way, and we get up every day. You know?
Energy up.
That's true. Yesterday I had the first time.
Yeah, seriously. That's why I prefer when you come in the summer.
Yeah.
Because the summer now, the time is so warm and hot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can go anywhere.
Yeah.
You can go in the biggest of woodland and you pull and stretch and move and stretch out the muscles. Because these are the things that want to exercise for your body, your muscles.
Yeah.
And you build them, you lift up load and build them, make them strong. Because when Denny used to come from town, you see, and he follow me go back, and when Denny see me, good on man, bust up with 120 pounds I am out. He said, Daddy, how you do it? He's sorry for me, he said, Daddy, I kill it for so. But he don't understand. Me build muscles from me at 20. So if you lift up the look 100 pounds now, no, to me. I mean, lift it up, put off him head, you know. I just whoop out that and put it on his head.
And him can't lift it up.
Then the things I get them trouble. So,
Yeah.
What you do? Weed in the grass, dig in the hill, right? It loose up your body and it build your muscles, then place and get strong. So people will say, oh, you look so every day. Well, then you understand.
It's workout every day.
Every day.
You at the gym.
You at the gym every day.
Every day.
Every day. You at the gym.
Yeah.
So that is me. That's why I go work every day. Because I work out every day. I have my food, my coffee, I have energy food. Kill with energy. Walk till it. When I summer come, we just come in 6:30. 7 o'clock, we just come in. When I summer, when we left at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, we coming back. 6 to 7.
12 hours.
12 hours a day we have.
11 hours.
11 hours.
Well, me edit it out. Yes, give thanks. Jamaica, good life.
Good life.
It is good life, but it is hard work. All right.
Good life,
So I know time for
hard.
sleep, you know.
Time to rest.
Make sure you rest yourself.
Yeah, man.
Tomorrow up for the rain.
Cool.
Hold up. I'll give you a nice day.
Yeah. You know, but holding off for the this one having.
What you say?
It's not holding up tomorrow.
It's gonna rain?
Yeah, you might wake up in the rain and man. 4 days it continue.
4 days to continue.
Yeah, today, tomorrow, Sunday and Monday.
You should